fragrant friends, and welcome back to Perished Garden. Today I am working on the tree again. There's a few things going on with it. It's a mess. And you see that dry spot right there on the grass? That's because the sprinkler on the other side of the tree isn't reaching everything because there's a giant tree in the way. And also my gladorias, whatever that is, they keep falling over every time they grow because they're not deep into the ground. So that's two things I've got to fix. Here I am. I've cleared out some of the debris that's been gathered there all year. I got rid of the wallflower that was dying. I'm also going to remove this one in hopes that it'll live, but it doesn't. And I have other things growing that I want to save, like those hyacinths. Those are those blueberry hyacinths. They're really cute. Fragile, but I want to keep them. They're nice. Like I said, I want to remove the glandoria with that and bury them deeper. I'm also going to cluster them, and I'm also going to add some daffodils and cluster them. But yeah, here you see me. I've already taken out the sprinkler. I've added holes. This is the hole for the sprinkler. I'm checking to see if it's dirty. It kind of is, but it's okay. And I need to replace that with a new manifold. There it is. Add those little pipes so that way I can add a new sprinkler system inside the tree. So I had to remove a lot of brick, some dirt. That spring is from the sprinkler you see there. I figured I might as well use it to protect the new pipe tubes. I don't know what they're called. And yeah, that's the sprinkler back there behind the shovel that I want to add. I'm adding two. You see those bricks next to it? Those are to hold down the pipe that's going, or tube, going in the other direction. I'm also going to be adding more dirt. The whole tree now is going to be filled with water, sprayed. I also need to kill off all the earwigs and grub that's living in there. And I want to do it now in the winter, so that way they and their larvae die. I'm putting back everything that I took out the hyacinths. I put the coffee creamer bottles, so that way I can protect them from the dirt I'm putting on there. I also marked off where I am putting the wallflower and the bulbs for the gladiola, that and the daffodils are already in between where the wallflowers are going to go. And you see that's only 2 bricks deep of dirt. I am going to put 3 bricks deep of dirt, and then later on in the season I'm going to put half of the 4. So you can see that the 4th one is on there, the 3rd row of bricks is on there, the sprinklers are in place, and now the dirt is going all the way up top of the 3rd level of bricks. And that's just a quick cleanup. It didn't take that long. Probably just, with distractions, a couple of hours. So yeah, this was quick. You see the dry spot there? And now you see the sprinklers on. And you see how this dry spot over here is darker because the water is actually hitting it now. So hopefully this throughout the summer will help everything grow nice and strong and healthy and all that good stuff. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a flowerful day.